Hi, good evening. Can you hear me?
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, Kabirat. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing okay. So, as we still wait for others to come in, how long have you been a member of the community?
Last year, I joined last year doing the Metro Bank analysis.
Oh, that's nice. How nice. So, how do you view the community?
It's okay. It really helps me in my Excel. It's good.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm glad. I'm glad it was able to help you out. Okay. So, good evening. Thank you for joining, Daniel. You're welcome to another session with Let's Talk Excel with Freedom. How are you doing today?
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good evening. Uh, I think this is my first time here. I don't know. Maybe I've
Oh,
been
you just
attending
joined the
before.
community?
Yes, this is my first time.
Okay, you're welcome to Let's Talk Excel with Freedom.
Thank you. Really appreciate.
Yeah. So over here, we work on projects together. We work on everything. We do projects from different industries. I will use Excel as our base to work on all these projects.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you normally
So we,
give assignment after the classes?
yes, we do.
Okay, okay. I'm totally novice. I'm new, so
Yeah.
I just started the journey.
Yeah, so over the community, we do challenges where we come up with projects from different industries. So that's where you use to practice and learn more into how to use Excel even better and leverage on how your Excel skills on those projects. So, what industry do you currently work in?
Like I said earlier, I'm totally novice. Like I just started. I just
Yeah.
started all these things. I think last month. So and I want to be doing self learning, but I see that it's like I'm deceiving myself. So
Yeah,
because no direction,
true.
no
We all need
planning, nothing.
guidelines. Yeah.
So I noticed that no, because that time I was doing self learning and there is one channel there. So he posted about all this SS something like that. I watched all the videos, everything. I think I did like I just enter ChatGPT to generate the data for me and all these things. I just work on it, clean the data and all those stuff. Sha. So so I entered LinkedIn one day and I saw one guy profile and I messaged the guy. Actually, the guy is not replying me again. It's like the guy is busy. So I messaged the guy. The guy said that I should send my work or something like that. So I sent him my work to that guy that day. So I think like after 2 3 days, the guy get back to me and he was like, your work look okay, he first comment me. And the next thing he said that I'm not communicating with my data. Like he said that there
Yeah.
is no insights. I was like, what are you saying? Like, you know, that day is that day that I now realize that I'm just wasting my time with self learning. That day I realized that I'm just wasting my time because no direction. I don't even know what I'm doing. It's just that what is there is that the video is there. I can't ask anybody the question like I don't understand this one. I don't, I'm just
Yeah,
okay, I'm just roaming about guessing all these things, and so that's the reason why I'm here, and to have direction, to have someone to mentor me, to guide me ahead, to give me assignment to do from there. I learn from my mistake, all these things. So I want to dedicate my time, and actually I'm a student, right? But at
yeah,
least I want to balance everything together.
yeah. I like that. I like that.
Yeah, yeah. So
So that's what the whole community is about. The community is about helping ourselves learn and grow from there. We work on
okay,
projects together, see how we can generate insight from those projects. Our next project is coming up soon. You can go through the page if you scroll to the page, the channel, because there's a channel connected to the page that I used to send informations into it. You go there, you
um,
can scroll upwards. You're going to see the metro challenge we did. That was based on finance, and also we are looking at exploring an FCMG projects as well, because we're trying
okay,
to touch every industry because we have different kind of people in the group, and also it's also an opportunity for you to build your portfolio with these projects. So when you work on those projects, we submit them online. We talk about those projects. Do you understand?
okay,
So that's the whole essence of the community, and it's for also you to connect with one another. You meet new people, yeah. You meet people also in the same level as you are, people who are above you, and people who are even coming under you as well. Because no matter the level you're in, there are still people that you're more than.
okay.
So yeah, you get to connect with all of them.
Is sorry, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done.
Uh, is there any registration fee or anything like maybe course or something?
No, no, no. The community is open. It's an open community.
Okay, there is no cost to buy like
There's no
anything.
cost. No, 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 no. Course is that one is if you want to register for like a personal class. Like I run a personal class called Excel 101. That one is different from the community. So the community is basically to help analysts, Excel lovers, beginners who want to work on projects and understand their project even more. So that's
Okay,
it.
because okay, because you said that there are some projects inside the group that I can work on.
Yes, there are data
Okay.
sets. You see other people's projects. People have been submitting, talking about it. So I think you can, if you can go backwards, you can check it out as well.
Yeah, yeah. I've seen some. Now let's say I practice one project now. Is there anyone that I can send it to like check this thing? I don't know. Maybe I'll try. What do you think? What do you think as we improve on? What should I add? What should I remove?
Yeah, yeah, most definitely. You can always reach out to any of us in the
Okay.
community. We have a couple of tutors there. I think not everybody is spotlighted, but yeah, we do. Hi,
Okay.
Lukman. You're welcome.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you for your time.
All right, thank you. We are still waiting for our tutor for today to join us. So just give him a couple of minutes. He's almost here. He'll join us shortly. Hi, Khalid. Do you want to say something?
I see. And sorry, are you on TikTok? Maybe on another social media.
Yeah, I'm everywhere. I'm literally
Anything.
everywhere.
Mhm.
I wish everywhere. I'll drop a link to my landing page on the comments so you can check it out.
Okay.
Yeah, you can check out all the platforms that you can find me.
And
I
another
can.
question. Okay.
Okay, okay. I'm listening.
I think Khalid is racing Nando. Um, like how many months or year do you think it will take to become a data analyst? Analyst.
To become a data analyst,
Yeah.
doesn't require it just consistent practice. But if you're being realistic, you need at least a 6 months to 1 year.
Mm.
Yes, you need at least 6 months to 1 year to be able to get like a job, because you need to also build yourself up to have like the capacity to do the job.
Okay.
So that's me talking from a realistic standpoint.
Okay. Thank you.
Khalid, you raised your hand.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
Um, sorry, sir. I actually tagged you on my post on Twitter yesterday, and I said, "What's your thought on what I actually post?" But you didn't reply to the post.
Oh, so sorry. Yesterday I was quite busy, so when I came online, I just passed through it.
Okay,
I
sir.
just
Okay, sir.
passed it. But you can always forward the post to my DM. I'll check it out.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
All right.
Mm. I'm not active on okay.
Hi, Mr. Victor. You're welcome.
Let me
Thank you so
see if
much. Good evening, Mr. Freedom. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Mr. Victor. How you doing today?
Today is quite good. Today is good.
Evening, Mr. Victor.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. Good evening.
So, for those who are new here, Mr. Victor is also one of our tutors in the Lex Talk Excel community. So, in case you have questions, you can also be forwarding it to his DM. Disturb him, please.
Hey, it's well. It's well. You guys are welcome. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you so much. So as we still wait for our tutor for today, which is Mr. Oriz, he sent me the file. You have the raw file is on the community. So just in case you want to check it out, you can always go to the community group to confirm the raw file. And he's going to be walking us through how he was able to achieve the whole process. Let me open up the file here he sent to me so that we can look through it as well. Can look through it as well before he comes in. I know when he comes, we'll have to officially introduce him because he's Maoga at the top. So this is the project we're going to be working on today. This project is based on women involvement and peace building in Plateau State, Nigeria. It's a survey data set. So based on the description here, women in Plateau, Nigeria are clearly vital to peace building efforts, with most people recognizing their crucial role. However, despite their dedication, many women face uphill challenges like not having enough funding or resources and struggling against old cultural beliefs. We have a lot of old cultural beliefs, especially over here in Nigeria. To truly empower them, we need more support, better training, and strong legal reforms and policies that protect their rights to lead in building a peaceful future for every woman. So the survey was taken and he did some cleaning approach. So I'll give him the opportunity to walk us through everything. So the process is quite straightforward. That's why we wanted him to come up today to walk us through how he was able to achieve all this. Let me reduce the screen a bit. So let me increase it, not reduce it, so we can see most of the information clearly. So as we wait for Oriz to join us shortly. So I don't know if he's here already. Oriz, are you here? I don't think he's here already. So we're still waiting for him to join in. As we do, I have some questions for anybody in the community. Since we're rebranding the community and working on trying to do new things, maybe what do you think is the best way for us to approach this year as a community? So if you have any questions, you can always ask, or if you have contributions, I'm always open to listening to you before we start our project for today. Welcome, Ibrahim. You're welcome.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Oriz. How are you
Yeah, good
doing
evening.
today?
I'm doing all right. How's everything? Sorry, I'm just trying to set up my whole stuff and the issues with the national grid and everything, but we're trying to balance up and all. So please, guys,
Yeah.
just give me a few time, please. It's a bit challenging, but I'll get it done. Right.
All right.
Bro.
Yeah. So we'll be waiting for you. As we wait for Mr. Benedict to get his things together, like I said, if you have any questions about the community or any contribution about the community, you believe that's the direction you want us to go this year, I'm always open to talking about it, or you can always have ask questions. Or if you're new about the community and you want to ask any question, you can go ahead and ask as we wait for Mr. Oriz, which is my boss. He is his PhD is in view, so like I said, he's my boss. So let's let's wait, let's see what he come up with, and it will show us walk us through the process of building and analyzing a survey data. So like I said, if you don't know where the data is in the community group on Telegram, so you can always go there and download the file. Okay, good evening, everybody. If you're just joining in, you're welcome. Welcome to another Let's Talk Excel session. And today we'll be working on this dashboard with Mr. Oriz. No sound. Can everybody hear me? If you can hear me, can you give me a thumbs up, please? All right, thank you. So, Lookman, you can check your internet. I think there's sound already. Oh, you're welcome, Lookman. How are you doing today?
My Oga, I'm good. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, man. How you doing today?
I'm good.
Yeah. How was your week? How is data treating you?
Uh, it's been a long. I even did the analytics. I think last time I did the analytics was December last year.
Yeah, but abandon us. Abandon.
Even the last project you guys did, I did partake in it. And the last presentation of like your, I don't plan to get myself back on track this year because of work and other side
Yeah.
gig.
Yeah, I understand. I understand. So what are you looking forward to this year for the community? Are we going to be seeing you
So
more often?
yeah, yes, I just going to start building my portfolio back the way I've started since last year and not relenting this year. Even if we do not heading into anything for now, but at least to be consistent.
Yeah, of course, of course. Of course. So as we still wait for Mr. Oriz to come, if you have any questions related to data, related to Excel, you have any questions you want to ask before we kick off fully, you can always turn on your mic and ask your questions now. And like I said, you have any question, you have any suggestions for the community moving forward towards this year, because we have quite a number of things planned out for the community. I know myself and the tutors involved are kind of busy, but we'll try our best as much as possible to show up when we can and also bring up our next projects. Should be available by before the end of this month. Then probably if we don't start before the end, we're going to kickstart by February. But just to keep the group alive, we decided to come up with like the masterclass sessions we do once in a while.
Mr. Fido,
Yeah, good evening.
good evening. So is it possible you after analyzing the data, is it possible you walk us through how to write a correct report, like the report after the analysis?
Okay. Well, this is not my project, but I can give you tips on how to write reports or your documentation process. You should see it.
Okay, hello everyone.
Okay, hello, good evening, Mr. Benedict.
Okay, good evening all. I think I'm good to go now, so we can start.
Okay, so
All right.
so first off, let me introduce my boss. His name is Mr. Benedict Orisakwe. He's a data analyst, he's a researcher, he's a lot of things. So I'll give him the opportunity to also talk about himself. He's also my boss. His PhD is a view, or have you collected it? Yeah, yeah, it's still a view, Abby. Okay, so
trying.
he has a very fat portfolio, and yeah, so we are honored to have him here in our midst today to walk us through this project. So it's something simple, it's something. So I'll give you the opportunity to walk us through the process before he started taking us on the step-to-step approach. And someone asked a question if you can also give them tips on how to write a report or document their project after they're done.
Okay. No
Yeah,
problem,
so
man.
you put it towards the end and just wrap up from there. So the floor is yours now, my boss.
Okay.
Let me stop sharing my screen so you can take over.
Okay. Hello everybody. Good evening, all. So, Mr. Freedom has actually said a lot about me, and that's just me. I am a data analyst. I'm also a student, and I'm still learning. We are all still learning. So today I'll be showing you guys a dashboard, not more of a dashboard, or not just say like a static visuals, because I guess we're all used to basically dynamic visuals whereby you have slicers, you have your high interactability and all. But this is just like a static visuals to just show a survey data. So I think I'll be sharing my screen now. Okay, so okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can see your screen. You can continue.
Okay. Okay, so this is a survey, it's a survey data for women involvement and peace building in Plateau State. Basically, it's just for Plateau State. You can actually edit or format it to or make it work in your own region or your own state. But for here, the whole on this data set, it's just for Plateau State. So we have the timestamp, the local government, the position, gender, age group, political. Let me get to okay. So, are you involved in any political activities or organization? Do you believe women play a significant role in peace building on the plateau? In your opinions, how important is the involvement of women in peace negotiation and conflict resolution? What do you think are the greatest challenges women face in peace building? And what strategies could be implemented to encourage more women involvement in peace building? So these are the fields we have here for the data. And we have about, I guess, should be 400 rows. I guess it should be, let's see. Yeah, about 400 rows. So it's nothing so serious. It's not something so difficult to do. So we just pick out of the columns in which we need that important to us. I guess the timestamp might not be so important to us. We use the rest, can use the rest, but the timestamp is not so important for us on this. And since it's survey, I think there's some data that are not meant to be that sensitive, basically. So that sensitive data like age and let's say gender or names and all like that. So most of those data have been removed, but the rest are just here. So let's then go down to the new sheets. So these are new sheets now, and we'll start with our little analysis, like the little analysis. It's something simple. So what I normally do basically is, if you can see my first data set here, it's actually in a tabular form. So if yours might not be in a tabular form, so let's try something. So what I normally do is you can highlight, or you can highlight all, right? Can come down to table, convert to range. So if it's converted to range, this is how your data set will be without it being in a tabular form. But if you want it to be in a tabular form, you just select all. You can press Ctrl T, then select my table has headers. And okay, so now you have it in a tabular form whereby you can actually get a little filter and all. Okay. So we come down here, we create our pivot table. So we can just insert a pivot table. Okay, let's just come here. So we insert a pivot table. Then it has selected our table. This our table 2 is the table range which we're going to use. Then we're taking it to a new or existing sheet. Okay, let's just say a new sheet. Then click OK. So this is taking us to a new sheet. So what this on this far side of the screen is our pivot table views. This shows all our fields here, the columns here, and we have the filter, columns, rows, and values. So this is what we're going to be using to analyze our data, to get them to make sense, to make the data make sense and speak to us. So the first thing we're going to be looking at now is the demographic data. So the demographic data, we're not going to be using the age because we're saying age has a sensitive data. So we won't be using the age or displaying anything about the age. So for the demographic data, the first thing we'll be looking at is the number of responses, right, by local government. So we have our local government here, position. So we're looking for the number of responses. That is how many people responded based on their local government. Okay, so the first thing is to find the respondents by local government. So first thing we do is pick our local government, take it down to roles. So here we have Jos North, Jos Basa, Jos North, Jos South, Mangu, Shandam, Wase. I know how this name sounds, might be sounding Chinese. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, you can,
Okay,
I can
okay.
hear you from my side.
Okay. So this names might sound a bit funny. So we have Basa local government, Jos North, Jos South local government, Mangu local government, Shandam, and Wase. So bringing down local government to roles, then we can take our local governments down to what to count to see those people that responded to our survey based on their local government. So now we can see that 90 people from responded from Basa local government, 80 people from Jos North, 70 people from Jos South, 50 people from Mangu, 50 people from Shandam, and 60 from Wase. So we gave us a total of what? 400. So now we can actually come here and type respondents by local government. Okay, so we've gotten that. Next one now, we want to see how many females participated in this survey. How many females are we actually working with in this survey? Because this is the whole aim of this survey is what to determine women involvement and peace building in what Plateau State. So this survey is segmented or is focused more on what on women. You understand? So we're looking for how many women participated or how many females participated in this survey. So we can actually copy this instead of going further. You can just paste it here. So now we check out. We write number of females female participants. Okay, number of female that participated, okay? That participated. Okay, so this is this. Then we come here to click on it, come there to our pivot table. Then we can take out this local government. Can take this, okay, we can leave this out, leave it here. Then we come down to gender. Good. So gender, and we still maintain the count of local government, because count of local government is supposed to give us the same figure. We have 400 respondents, 400 participants. So we can leave it as count of this, or even if you pick up your gender too. So you can pick gender there, give you the count of gender. It gives you the male and female. So we have about 282 females and 118 male participants for the survey that participated in the survey. So this we've answered 2 demographic data questions now. So the next one, I can still come here and Control V. Okay. I can still copy this still. Copy. I can paste it here too. Good. So the next one is we're looking for the persons that are not involved in political activities or organization. So if you come back to our main data sets, right? So we have female here, we have age group. So now this one says, are you involved in any political activities or organizations? So we have a series of yes, no, yes, no responses for this particular question. So for me to get it done here, we're looking for the persons that are not involved in political activity or organizations. So you can write here, persons not involved in political activities. Organization. Okay. So this is there. So come down to this, we click on this pivot table again, and now we are going to take this out. This is our local government to take it out, right? So we'll bring in, are you involved in this? Bring it to our roles. So we have yes, no, yes, no. Then we can come here and we can also take this out too. Then come here and bring in the count of this. So there's a count of it. So we're having no responses. Those that are not those are not involved in any political activities, picked no. So we have about 202. Then yes, we had about 198. Any question for now, please?
No question.
Huh?
No question for now.
Okay, good. All right. So let's keep going. So persons that are not involved in political activities organizations, we have seen that 202 people are not politically inclined or are not involved in any political activity, while 198 people are interested in political activities or not. Yes, are interested in political activities or organizations. So we've done this. Then let's see the next one. I think I will also reduce this a bit. Reduce this a bit. All confusing. So the next one, we can actually get this. Let me just use this one, copy. I'll just paste it there. Okay, so the next one is we're trying to see the position held by respondents. Okay, if you check our data now, so we have a position here. So and under this position here, we have community leaders, stakeholders, and women leaders. Do you understand? So we want to see the respondents by the position they hold, right? So we want to know whether majority of the respondents are from women leaders, or if they are community leaders, or if they are stakeholders, just best stakeholders. Okay, so we go back here. I think it's more like basic. It's quite simple and all. Just for you to just get your whole data into your respective roles and values. So now we are looking at the position. So take out gender here. I'm bringing position here. So and so we can also come here and say count of position, pick up position 2, and we here the values count of position. So we have community leaders, we have 150 community leaders, we have 50 stakeholders, and we have 200 women leaders. So here the title will be respondents by respondents by position held. Position held. Okay. So these are our four demographic details. So we've gotten the respondents by local government, number of female participants, the persons involved in political activities or organizations, and the respondents by position held. Okay. So we're done with the first aspect of demographic data. So we can come here now for the response analysis. We can just response analysis. Okay, so this is the response analysis. Sorry, I'm not doing more for this formatting and all like that. So I'm just going straight to the point and getting it done. Okay. So for the response analysis now, we've gotten the whole demographic stuff now. So response analysis now, okay, let's see their response now based on the questions they've responded to, or based on the questions on the questionnaire they've responded to. Maybe you sent out a Google form, maybe it's a handwritten questionnaire. So these are the response to those questions. So each of these questions are more like research questions, understand? So these are what we are trying to research, or these are what we're trying to get from their responses. So let's see now, going down to our sheet again, our data set. So now one of the questions is the role of women in peace building, right? Okay. The first one says, do you believe women play a significant role in peace building on the plateau? So this is one of the questions. Do you believe women play a significant role on the plateau? So we'll come down here and let's see, copy this too again. Copy this, let's bring this down here. So I'll call this women role in peace building. Let's just call this women role in peace building. Women role.
This one is, if you slide down, am I on for Johnny?
Women role in peace building.
The one where I slide,
okay. So now we'll come down here now, and we'll look at the question now from our pivot table fields. Now we look at do you believe women play a significant role here? So we'll take out our local government out and bring in this in. Good. So we have this, you can actually bring this 2 in. You can bring the count of this if you want to. So this is it. But I can actually just use, let's just use the count of local governments to here, because it's making the whole stuff quite big. It's still giving out the same number because these are 400 people, these are 400 responses. So the count will still be 400 responses. So we have number of women role in peace building, right? So we have no, 108, not sure, 108, yes, 184. So these are the responses that, okay, are you sure? Okay, the question says, do you believe women play a significant role in peace building on Plateau? People said, 108 people said, no, I don't believe. 108 people said, no, I'm not sure. 184 people said, okay, yes, I believe women play a significant role in that. So this is this. We can actually sort our value here from the largest to smallest. We sort this from largest to smallest, sorry. So we can sort this is sorts from largest to smallest. Good. So this is it. So we can actually do that for basically all of them. Okay, this is sorted. Okay, not sorted from the smallest. So we just sort everything from largest to smallest. So you know that says 80, 70, okay, 50, 50. Cool. So this, so we can sort this. Okay, this is sorted. This is sorted. This is actually okay. And this, we can sort this from largest to smallest. So we get it. 200, 150, 50. Good. So we're done with this. You can pick the same one to, if you want to, copy and paste here. So the next question now is on the importance of women involvement in peace building. Okay, let's see. The next question is, in your opinion, how important is the involvement of women in peace negotiation and conflict resolution? So you can just come here and name this importance. Women involvement. Involvement. Okay, so come here now. Take this out. Where is it? Okay. Okay. So take this out. Women opinions. This. Okay. You can put it into. So this will give us the list, right? So I don't know, important, not important, somewhat important, very important. So this is like descending order, loss solid rock from the largest to smallest. So very important, 180, 78, 74, important 64, I don't know, 4. Good. So the next one is to get the challenges women face. So let's see. I think here it says, what do you think are the greatest challenges women face in peace building? So what do you feel are the greatest challenges women face in peace building? So there are a lot here. It's quite long. Cultural belief limiting women roles in peace, in public affairs and all. So we come here. Sorry, come here. Let me just this one. Good. So we come here now. I can copy this one. Okay. So I can copy this one. Copy, come here, paste it here. Okay. I can take this one out, bring this one in. What do you think? So cultural beliefs. So now if you check out this, now we have 120, 40, 160, 80. So cultural beliefs, limiting women's role in public affairs, lack of recognition of their contribution, lack of resources and funding for women-led initiatives, political or social violence against women. So we can sort these two, sort largest to smallest. So we see that lack of resources and funding for women-led initiative is actually higher. So we can see that this is actually a challenge. This is the most challenge, followed by this, this, and this. So we can just call these challenges women face. Okay, let's call this challenges. Challenges. Challenges women face. Okay, so we're done with this. So we can get the next question. Let's see, let me use this one. Copy, then come here to, can paste it here. Yep. So it says strategies to encourage women involvement in, okay, so coming down here to our data. So we're looking at what strategies could be implemented to encourage more women involvement in peace building. Okay, so then come here, take this out, pick what strategies, bring it in. Good. And then here we are. So we can see that greater representation of women in international peace negotiations. 100 respondents went for this. Increased access to education and training in conflicts. 80 respondents went for this. Legal reform to protect women in politics and peace building roles. 140 respondents went for this. And more support and mentorship program for women leaders. 80. So we can actually sort this. Yes. From largest to smallest. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're done basically with everything that we need. So basically for this survey analysis, right? We're just looking out for, sometimes most people do this just to look out for, okay, on this program or this initiative we're trying to do, let's see how we can actually help the stakeholders, or let's see their pain points, or let's see the challenges faced, so we can actually know what are their concerns, what they're facing, so we can implement or make positive change or make positive decisions to actually solve these pain points or these challenges, or the best way to actually solve the problem at hand. Do you understand? So that's why you see they take out this survey most times for programs, for initiatives, just to have a view of everything, and then basically sometimes it can be done, it can be formative, that is or before or during the program, right? And sometimes it can be summative, that is at the end of the program. So just actually give you a head start or an insight of, okay, these are what we're actually looking out for. This and this are actually the pinpoint. Okay, if we provide this at least to solve these issues, if we provide more funding or more resources for women-led initiatives, these women will participate more. Do you understand? So this whole aspect of this survey stuff is just only to just see where we can concentrate and make rightful or useful decisions in our program or initiative. Okay. So we're done with this. We're done with this basically. Okay, so we're done with everything here. So we have the demographic and the response analysis. So now let's try and see if we can. Okay, you've done this, and most of your orgas at the top in your organization now is they are not so technical into all this. They just want to just see something. They want to see like, okay, let's visualize this and show them, okay, this and this is what's happening, and this is how we can actually go about it. So this we then take us down to the visualization aspect of this analysis. And like I said, basically we're actually used to the interactive dashboard settings, the dynamics of dashboard creation, in which okay, we have slicers, we have parameters and all that can actually help and all to get a in-depth idea or in-depth view of the whole analysis. But sometimes we actually have to do what we call static visualization. So this is more like a static visualization, no slicers, no parameters, no drill through or anything, just a static visualization. So sometimes this is actually done for information designs and just normal data visualization without having any interactivity. So now let's start with this. So first thing we do here is to come to view and take off the grid lines. So we have a complete white space here, and let me take this to, I'd like to reduce this to about 68. This is 68. Okay. Let's go with 68. 68. Okay. So this canvas, and I would like to insert a shape. So I'll try to insert a shape here. Let me start this. Okay. Insert shape. So see this. Let me start here. And then take it down to Wase here. And so let's say let me bring it down to this. I'm looking at the heights. Let's get good heights. No. I'm not going with the normal portrait landscape size. No, I'm going with the portrait size now and something quite bigger. Okay. So let's try with this now, and I'll make the color fill color. Let's use whites. Then outline, no outline. So it's still there. It's still there, but the outline is not there. So is it? So let me see how I can actually wireframe this whole stuff, like wireframe. I'm going to do wireframing and everything here on Excel. So the next thing we do is I'll insert another shape. See, I want to just try it out this way. So I actually want this has my white background. I have another container. Okay, basically on tablet they call it container. So I'll put in another container or another shape in it. So I'll have like the white background behind, and I'll still have this other lighter shade above it. Okay, so let's see if this is okay this way. So let's see if this is okay this way. Let's see. This is okay. 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 I think if it goes back to 100, it will be very big. Okay. So still maintaining 65, 68. I just want to use the 68 to guide me. Okay. So I will take this color. I think I picked the color somewhere. Yes, I think I picked the color somewhere. Okay. Try fill. More fill colors. Come here. Clear this, and then let's try this F7, F7. Let's see. Okay. So as you can see now, this color is inside the white you created. So I'll just take out the outline, so it's still there. So you can see it's in there. So I actually want it to be a bit different from the main white. So I can still come down here. So let me reduce this so I can see my whole stuff all at once. Okay. Okay, so this now I can Control D to duplicate it, pull shifts, bring it down. So let's see if we can align it, this and this. Shape formats, align to the left. Good. So I'm bring this, take this up, and take this up now. Okay, yeah, just want it this way. Okay, so this is okay. Let me keep this outline so it will guide me a bit. Let me know where I outline and just click black. Okay. So we have two bars now. This, cool. So let's see. I think I might increase this a bit. Increase this a bit. Okay. Then the next one. Okay. So Control D. I still bring it down a bit. Okay. So I can like these three shape formats, align and distribute vertically so they have the same space in between them, and align them to the left so everything will be much aligned. So I can actually group them. So that's one group now. This group, okay. Let me see. Ungroup them. Okay, so this, I need this, and this to be grouped. Formats, group them, group. Okay. So I think I have my stuff now already. Yep. Good. So this one, I can actually get up small. Okay. So we can actually touch it if you want to. So let's see. Good. We're okay this way now. So I have my 3 layers, first, second, third layer. So the next thing now is to have another shape to see if where I can put in my visuals. Where I put in my visuals, I already have a way that I want this whole dashboard to look like. So I'll come here, insert, shape. Okay, let's use this and something like this. So sometimes I like to increase it again, so to see what I'm doing basically. This way. Okay. So I will use this. Okay. Is a let's see. And let me see if I can Control D. And Control D. Let's see. Okay. So see how this will format, align, distribute horizontally. Okay. This is still a bit far. So start this somewhere here. Okay. I need them to be 4, I guess. 4. Okay, 4. So I'm working on 4. So this, okay. Okay, come to D. Okay, so this 4. I know that's outside the but this 4. Okay, so your own is very different. Your own band, you think of thing spend the money. How about this? No. Okay. See, I can still work on this. Still work on this way. Yes, okay, let's take this off. Take this off. Yes, let's see, Control D. Yes, I'm not giving people outside just invites, just people with it. That's fine. 2, 4. So just a little bit more. I guess a little bit more. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. No, this is my personal decision. People outside just should not come. You understand? It's number C. Let's see. No one will okay. The resources are very 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think we're good now. So I'll just take this, align this a bit. Okay. Okay. Let me just take all of them. I will book flights. I will give you money. Say, oh yeah, happy wedding. Align. It's supposed to be horizontally. And align also at the top, align top. So they all be together. Good. So this the reality of the is 1. Good. We're good to go. So the next thing is to go down a bit. Okay, we're done with that. This next one. So I can copy this, Control E, copy this and bring this here. Okay. Okay, so I need this to be a bit bigger, so we can take it something this way. Okay, Then say Control D. Z. Then just Control D this also. Let's see if this will give us this. Okay, so on this, I'll align this. I'll align this one up. This one. I'm trying to align this one with this, so we have the same starting edge with this. Formats, align left, so start together there. This one too, I'll do this with this. Shape formats, align right, so we have the same distance there. Then let me zoom in and see if these two are actually okay. And this good. So we can pick these two now, format them, align them at the top. So page something on top, and that we can choose. Let me bring them down. Okay, so I can bring them a bit down. So I have this now. I have this now as my wireframe. So if you open it up, it's good. So all I just need to do is I can highlight all outline, no outline. And for the fill, I think I'll use white as the fill. Let's see if I can fill them up with white. Let's see, fill with white. Good, right. Good. So I've made that this way. Okay. Okay. Right, so good. The next one. These two. Actually, this way. Good. And do the same thing here. Outline, no outline, fill, white. Right. Good. So this is basically my wireframe. So I've done my wireframe now, and it's time to build the charts. So let's go back to our sheet. So for this now, let's start with the first one. And just highlight these inserts, recommended charts. I go to bar charts. Good. For this bar chart I need. Okay. Now, if you look at our charts, we can't just use this whole chart this way because it's quite busy and all. So we have to take off the items that we're not going to need in our visualization to make it more presentable. So click on this, hide all field buttons on charts. Click on my chart title, delete, total, delete. I don't need that. This axis, delete. The lines, click on it, delete. So this is my charts. I click on this axis, right? Click on outline. I don't want that line that is there. Click on no outline. So there's no line here. So this is my charts. But if you can see, it's coming from the lowest to the biggest, but I want it from the biggest to the largest to the smallest. So I'll still come here, format axis, categorize in reverse order, and this is it. So now I'm having the same thing with this Basa 90, this. Okay. So for this, I will format my bars. Even I click on the bars, I'll just click on the bars. It will take me here. So this is where I format data series for the bars. So for the bars, let me see. I will like to use, let's say 45 or 50. Let's say 50. And see. So this is 50, right? So let me use 48. Let me use 45. So the bars will be a bit bigger and quite equidistant. Okay. So this is it. This is it. Okay. So most times, okay, good. So this let me check the fonts for this. I can click on this, check the fonts. Okay, 9. I like it at 9. So we'll be using 9 all through. Okay. And I actually want it to be black. I'll give it a color. For it. Let me use. Okay. I think this is okay. Let me just use that. All right. So now it's for my bars now. So I can actually format the color of my bars and come here still. Now I want to format each bar. I want all the whole I have my colors for my bars, but I want to make one stand out, that is the highest to stand out. So I can come here. I think come here, come to fill. I click just only this bar. Listen, it's selected. Fill. More fill colors. Custom. I can just put in the color here. So let me see. Okay, Control Z. Let me see. This color is this it? 29 3229. That's it. Okay, that's it. So okay. So this is the color I actually want this to be. Then you can do it for the rest. So come in here. Okay, fill, come here, fill. You come to more fill colors. And let's take the next color we want. So let's say we want okay, 7F. Let's see if it is. Okay, this is it. Okay, good. So fill color. I see all the color here, so I can just use it instead and just fill every other thing there. Fill. So this is just you making your bars or your charts to look a bit okay. Good. So this is it. So I can bring it down here. Good. Then now for the labels, I come here and insert data label. I want my label to be actually inside, not outside. So I can come here and put it inside end. So all of them are inside this way. So you see that this one is a bit dark. All right. So this is a bit dark. So what we'll do now is I can click on it. Come to home. Not fill. I think there's a color. Then I can pick white. So I want it to stand out. So white. Okay. So I can make this color. I can make this one. I would like to make it come to fonts. Let me see 10. Will 10 be okay? 10. Then the color too, I want it to be this dark green. Let's see if to be good. Okay, 10 and dark green. Yeah, it's okay. So these two I can increase it to. I can increase it to like come here, come to font too. I can make it 10. Let's see, 10. 10 is a bit okay and okay. All right. So it's more visible. Good. So 10 and this. So we're done with this. Next thing is to, we're taking this now. If I copy this now, control copy, and I paste it on this visuals here. Sorry. I paste it here. There's something I'll show you. It has a border, right? And it also has a color inside of it. It has a color inside of it. So I don't want it to be this way. So I have to take out this border and the background color in it. So I don't want it. So I don't want this. So I'll just delete this, come back to my charts. Now I'll click on this charts, click on it, and come here to fill, no fill. So nice transparent background, outline, no outline. And this is it. So now you can see that my chart now has no fill and no background, no outline. So I can copy it, come here, I can paste it here, and now it's time for me to put it in here and make it format it to be okay. So what I do basically is I like working with it, like I like to see what I'm doing. So I increase this to get a complete view of it. So now, no, sorry, I think I will have to lock this. Okay, okay. I'll group them. I'll group all those ones here together. So let's just work with this first. I want it to be inside this. See? Okay. Okay, so pick it this way. I can increase the size down. I want it to fill in properly. Okay. Okay. Base is okay. And actually shipping. Control Z. This is what I want. So I can push this way. Then I can increase the size. Yep. Okay. So this is a bit okay. Scroll down. Still a bit far. Down. Still it down. Good. Yeah. So this is okay for me. So if I keep this now, I see that my whole chart is inside the white space goods. Good. So this is okay. All right. You're cool with this. And so the next one. What's the next one? I can delete this if I want to. Oh, just delete it up. It's still here. It's still here. So next thing is the second number of females that participated, right? So this is it. I will come here, insert pie charts, then I go to donut charts. Actually, the working with donut charts. So the same thing we did there, we hide all. I don't need this label. Take it off. Please, I take it off. So I have my donut chart now. So I can actually just come here, do the same formatting stuff I did last time. Fill it up. The highest portion will be dark to maintain consistency. Then for this to click on the next color, fill it up with the next color. There's this. So we have this. The same thing, I will take out the background, fill, no fill, outline, no outline. So I can copy this. I can copy this and take it to my dashboard, and I can paste. Okay, here it is. It's here. So it's meant to come down. It's meant to come down here. Oh, consciously. I think something to my system by it. What happened? Why is it not going down? It's not valid. What happened? What happened here? What happened there? Good. Okay. How do I get this out? Okay, let me just see.
That's what you have on your formula bar. That's what this instruction is.
Okay. Shit. Wait. Okay. Z, right? Wait till I haven't get that shit there. Okay. What did I do? I'm trying to reduce. What's actually happening? What's happening here? Okay. What's happening here? Okay. I don't know what's happening at the moment, but I think I need to get this fixed. What can be done? What can be done here?
I think your Excel sheet is not responding fully.
It's not responding fully.
Yeah, because you can't. I wanted you to zoom in. I don't think it is zooming in.
Not zooming in, yes. I'm trying to.
It's not zooming in. So how about you try saving the file so that you can close and open it up again? I think
Yeah,
that
that's what I'm
should
trying to do. I just hope it works. It's not saving. It's not responding. Will Excel actually give me back a backup if I close and open again? Okay. Should I just close and try again? Let's me starting over again, man.
Even if you close up, I think you have the original file. You should be able to recover it. So
Okay, let's try.
So I think what you're doing, you're rebuilding just the dashboard. I think you've explained the process already. Just
Okay,
for you to rebuild the dashboard. So you can close this if this is not responding.
Okay.
It saves you more time.
All right, I just want to close it. Closing. Tax manager. And Excel. And tax. Let's see. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Okay. This Excel. Don't mind my desktop. It's crazy. Okay, let's see. Will it give me back? That's okay. Let's see if this. Okay, I think this should be it. Book one. Let's see, book one. Okay. So we're going back to the dashboard question again. So I just have to create the dashboard all over again. Okay, so I'll just use this then.
You can just review the wireframe and
Yeah,
rush the dashboard. Yes.
Okay. Good. Okay. So this is the one I need. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'll go back to wireframe again. So I'll be a bit fast this time around. Lines, no grid lines. Let's say 69, 68. Okay, and I insert shape this. This. I'll just try to. Okay. So this. Okay. Fill white. Alright, then insert again. Making shape. Let's look at this. Okay, so okay, and on this so align. Okay. It's here our colors at least. So I used so I used this F7 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 okay. I think okay. And outline, no outline. Okay. And then so it's done. Lessons to inserts. And group them, and group these ones. And just group them. Okay. So this is good. Nesting inserts shape. Okay. So let's see. It's 4 good shapes are those. Say Ctrl D. See Control. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's just get this a little bit more. Okay. Just improve this. Just a bit. This to the side. Okay. All right, so this here and align them, align up. Okay. Okay. This align. Okay. All right. So include this. Should be icon here. See this here. Should be this here. So this and this not align. So this sorry for the delay, but we just have to just try again and see how we can get it done properly. This and this. So do this and this. Format align. Right. Okay. So this should be and this should be here. So this let's see format align. Okay, it's horizontal. Okay. So what we just do now is just to select all of this. Then outline, no outline, view. We go to view, add more field options. We use white. I think we use white. So we can just swap it this way. So let's swap it this way. If there's any adjustment again, we will just adjust it. We'll make adjustments. So I just group these ones. So I'll group this one, say group them. This and this. Group it. Group it. Okay. All right. So we'll go back to making our. Okay, let me just. Can I start with? Okay, let's just go back to the chat. Go back to the chat. So we come here. Okay. Holy. Okay, we'll see. Go back. All right. So Basa to this. We select this. Insert bar charts. Let's get bar charts. Okay. Take these out. Take these out. Take these out. Take the axis out. This hide all field labels. This format. Categorize. Reverse order. Still click on it. Outline. No outline. And okay. Here the mistake we have here, we didn't sort these. Sort from largest to smallest. Okay, so let's actually work on it. So for our bars, we pick 45. 45. Then come to fill, no fill, outline, no outline, and can select the whole bars. Click on it, fill, more fill colors. So I think I'll just use this EE 7F. Okay. So I have to make everything the same color, so I'll just pick on this one and just change it personally. And Morphe color. Okay. Change this to 29 to 3229. Okay. 29 to 3. Okay, I think this is 2A. Okay. This is 2A to 50 to A. So this is it. Then click on this data label inside end. So I click on this font, make it 9, 10. Okay, I click on this font. So I get this color. Okay, and for this, so it's a color, come here, boom. White. Okay, so good to go. Copy. Okay. Okay, it's here. Okay, let me don't zoom out so much. Okay. So this down. Okay, this will be okay. So what's this? What's this? Okay. So this is it. Then I'll just insert a text box. Insert text box. Text box. So the text box. Okay, I'll just set my text box here. So I'll have for the chat title. So I think for this I think I have it down here. Okay, this is it. Okay, I have the whole stuff written down, so I'll just copy from here and paste it here. But the font I want to use this. Yes, this font. So this font I need to use. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Is this okay? Let me use this one. So we drag this down so we can see the font completely. And this here. It's right aligned here. And I think I want this font to be a bit bigger. Let's try 14. I think 14 will be better. 16 is big. Let's leave it 14. Fonts. The color, I make it that same green for consistency too. Then this one I can make it that's 11, right? So I'll just make it gray. I want the color to be a bit gray. So I'll use and try this gray. This gray be okay. Let me see. Okay, that gray is a bit okay. So let me use it this way. All right. So now we have our respondents by local government. Okay, I'll still format it a bit. Outline. I don't want that outline on it, so take out the outline, then format this to be properly. See, what's this? What's it to? Yeah, okay, this way. All right. So I can actually pick this for all. Anywhere I need this to make my work easier. So I bring it down again. Anywhere I need this, I can actually just duplicate it and paste it anywhere I need it. So I think I might need it somewhere here. I think I might need it here too. So come there, copy there, just to make our work a bit faster. So that's there. I can duplicate it again. Bring it down. Okay, it's somewhere here, duplicate it again. Okay. Okay, maybe somewhere here too. But with time, I just want to just place them there. So anytime I come down there, I know what I'm doing. Okay. So I think we're done with this first one. So the next thing again is I can create another text box. Insert text box. Insert the text box. So let me get this here. Let me get this text box here first. Okay. So I'll just I think I have it here. So which one am I picking up here? Which one am I picking up here? Okay. All right, let me just pick this response analysis. Copy and paste it here. Okay. All right. So I just want to just keep all the stuff where I'll need them. All right. So go back to the next chart. To create the next chart. So the next chart, I can delete this. Next chart is this. So I'll create this, insert, do not chart this. Take out the stuff I don't need from the charts. Take out all this. Now do the same formatting for the proportions or the portions. I'll come here. Come here, fill. I need that to be dark green. And this fill light shade. Okay. So this I'll take out the fill, no fill. Just make it transparent and no border, no outline. I think this is okay. Copy, come back here, space it here. Okay, so I can bring it down to where I need it. I think I need it here. Okay.
Hi, good evening, everybody. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know what happened to our tutor's internet. Let me see if I can reach him to confirm what happened.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
We can hear you now.
Okay,
Welcome
okay.
back.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, my network got a bit bad.
Yeah, I
All
think
right,
it
so
took you out.
yeah. So let me share the title screen again. Share. Okay. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. So I was trying to explain. I don't know where did you guys stop, please? Sorry.
We stopped when you brought in the donuts charts.
Okay. So I actually said I want to show the number of females that participated in the survey, right? And this is actually showing us this donut chart. So the portion that has the largest is the females, number of females, because from our analysis here, the females had about 282, while the male is about 118. So this is the female. So on a normal, we tend to put the labels by the side, but I actually want to just put it in here so as to just show the number of females that participated in the survey. So what I do now is I created a text box. Let me go over here. Okay, you all know how I create a text box, right? See. Okay, so this is my text box, right? As I came to insert text box, this. So I drew it in circle here. Good. So this is my text box. I want to write this number in my text box. So what I do, I come to this formula bar, equal to, right? I go back to my pivot table. I want to get this number females in there equal to. So this has given me the number of females in there, right? So I can actually come here and increase the size of the text if I want to. Home. Let's say I want it to be this quite big. It's 28, okay. And I want it to be centralized. Right. Then I already have my what I want to write in here. I want to write 28, 282 females participated in the survey. So I wrote it somewhere instead of typing all over again. So I come here and I pick this here. Good, copy. And then I can now Control Z. Okay, I can pick this in down here, Control P. So now I can actually work on these guys. Come here, home. I can reduce the font or like it to be a little bit small. Okay, that's too small. So I think this is okay. 16 is okay. Written show, so I have to bring this down. So bring this down to show 16. Okay, but I want it to be more smaller, kinda. So I will select it to the top. Here's my what's happening. So I want this to be from here. Not there, here. I want it to be from here. Okay, and I can reduce it still further to about let's see. Okay, so that's okay. As soon as okay. Okay, and this is it. So let's see how we can format it properly. So home, I need it to be dark color, yeah, and it's okay this way. All right. So I will take out the fill, no fill, take out the outline of the text box, no. Good. So I can actually take it to the center if I want to, somewhere here. Good. So this is how I want it to be. So I've gotten that. Next thing is to get the next pie chart for the next question. This question said the person is not involved in the political activities or organization. So we know that those who are not who are not involved in anything political are no. Those that said no. So 222. So create our pie chart for this. Insert this pie chart. I want this to be a pie chart. So the labels, the legend, I take it out. Total, I take it out. And this just hide this all the same way format, and can actually make this fill, low fill, outline, no outline. We're now talking about how we format the portions now. So I can come here. So this is the biggest, and this is the one that has 198. So we come here, fill, and make this largest with this color for consistency. This, make it this. So this is it. Then I can copy my charts from here and paste it here. So I can move it to this. Good. Okay, so let's see something. Formats. Formats. Okay. All right. So this here, I can actually increase it to it's okay then. So let's see how we can format this to okay. Okay. So we can make this bigger. Okay. Can make this one bigger. Okay. Make this bigger and let's see, take it a bit up. I want it to align with this kind of okay formats. I can align the top now. So they're almost the same size. This one is it's higher. Okay, so I'll work on this too. It's okay. So let's see. I just want them to be a bit equal. Yeah, they're a bit equal now. Good. So I can actually move this to the center if I can get it done. Okay, this one here. Okay, all right. So this is here. The same thing, I want to have this text box in here too. So I will just come here, Control D, I can pick it up, put it in here to this way. So I'll have to go through a different process for this. So this is out. Okay, I can do this. This is out. Come here to formula bar. Onto this. This is what I want. Hit it in there. Okay. So since it's here, I will still do the same formatting for this too. And I used what I use here. I think I used 28 or so. I think it's 28. 28. Okay. So this one's going to be here for 28. 28. So I can come home. 28. 28. Okay. Good. So the same thing, take it down. Then I'll copy what I want there. The rules are persons are not involved in any political organization. So I will pick this, copy it this way. Copy on here, paste it. So I actually want this to be 14. This should be 14. Is it 14 or 16? Boom. I think it should be 14. I think 14. Is it 16? 14. 14. Oh. Okay, let's try 14. Can increase this, see if, yeah, I can increase it, okay. All right, so this is 14. I want it this way. Good. Now I'll just format everything. Format everything. Just format this, make it green color. Yeah, it's green. So I'm done with that. So we have this here. Next one is this. So positions held, right? So just create a bar chart for this. I can delete this. Create a bar chart for this. Okay, insert bar charts. Okay. Hide this, hide all, delete this, come here, delete this, delete this, delete this. So I think I have to sort this, I have to sort this. I have to sort this ascending order, sort largest to smallest. Okay, then come here, format axis, this, come here still, outline, no outline. And my bars, I know that my bars is 45. 45, right? 45. Well, when you look at 45, the bits is a bit big and bold. So I just want it to be a little bit slimmer. Let's see. There's too much. See. Try 50. It's still really close. 60, 70, 70 is still. Okay, 70 or 80. I still want it to be a bit slim. So it would look like this. It would look something like this. So 0, no, 80. See. Okay, 90 is coming up. Okay, let's try 140. 40. Okay, let's try 140. 140 is cool. So the same thing I did last time, I'll just do the same formatting. Come here, fill, use the same color, then come here, fill, pick the dark one. Okay, then come here, font, make this 10. This make it dark green. And okay, labels, come to labels. I need that inside end. Good. And labels to click on labels, come to font, make it 10. And for this one, I just come here, home, change it to white. So I'm good to go. This, then I can take this out. Fill, no fill, outline to remove the borders, no outline. Okay, so I'm good to go here. So I can copy this on down to this, paste it here. So me pasting it here, I can actually pick it up from here and take it here. Okay, so next is for me to format it the way I want it to be. I still need the height to be a bit okay. So it's still far. Make it closer. Let's come a little bit closer. You know, we're working with this container, this white container here. So we will have to format the chart so that it will enter, not okay, let it be okay, like let it enter properly and fit well. So fitting it inside the white container. So I can move it a bit to get some breathing space. So it's pretty little. This is okay. I have to bring it down. Take this a little bit up. A little bit up. Okay. So here we are. We'll fix this, and I think fix this. This is okay. Format them to be bottom, so the aligned at the bottom. Let's see if it's okay. No, at the top. Format top. Let's see, align top. Okay, let's see. It's a bit down. It's a bit down. So take it up a little. Okay. And these two should come up a little. So it should come up a little. So I think we have almost the same space above. Almost the same space. Good. So here now we just edit it. Not close this. Just edit this. These aspects, I think I have the whole stuff written here. Persons not involved. Okay, position held. Position held. So I can just copy position held. Okay. Okay, number of each category this way. So copy it just to save time. Paste this here. So I'll still use the same formatting. This is almost the same thing. Then this one here is I guess this should be 14. This is 14. 11. Okay, this is 11. So pick this down. So this is 11. 11. 11. So this is 11. And I'll change the color to this gray I used. Okay, so yeah, that's gray. So yeah. So this is it. Then get back to normal and see how it is. Okay, we're all looking all sharp and all good for now. Everything is in place properly. Good. So for demographic data, we've gotten respondents by local government, respondents by position held. 282 females participated in the survey. 200 this. Okay, so I would like to add something here, so it will look more of a composition, like 202 out of or over 400 people participating in this. So we can actually do that here. So I can do this over 400. Okay. 2, and here's space here over 400. Let me just write 400 here. So let's do something. I can make this one to use the same. I think this should be the 16. Is it 16? This should be 16 or 14. This should be 14. Okay, so I can make this 14 to. I can get this to be 14. So 14. Boom. Make it 14. So this is what I want. This is what I want. Okay. This piece is 2. Oh, yeah. Good. So this is it. 200 over 400 females participated in the survey. Nice. Good. Persons participating, sorry. So the next one now is to go down to, so I can bring this my text box here, this one here, this one. You can bring it in here. This text box, I think, is having fill, no fill, outline, no outline. Okay, just to be sure. All right. So this one now, I can actually just let me duplicate it. Duplicate this. Duplicate. Okay. Duplicate this. Still not duplicated. Okay, so I can move this one. Keep it somewhere here. I can move this one somewhere here. So for this, I will just type in my demographic analysis or demographic data. I want to put this as the heading for this. So demographic data. Okay. So this the textbook I want to use here. So I can make this way. Let me see. Okay, now that home. I want to use this font for my headers. Then I will increase the size. Can increase the size. Let's see 40. 42. Let me see 40 graphic data, and I can actually select all, come here, make it bold. Okay, make it bold, then pick on the color I want. I want it to be dark green. Okay, this is it. This is something this way. Okay, and I don't want it to have a fill, no fill. I don't want it to have an outline, no outline. So this dude now, this come here. Come in here. Okay, so I like to zoom in a bit to see what I'm doing, and take it down there. So I want it to align with this way. Okay. This way. Okay. All right, this way it's okay. Good. All right. So I can, it's nice. So this is what we have here. Okay. All right. So I can pick it up now. Can I just delete this then? Delete this. Then I can pick this up now. Duplicate it. Come here. Pick it down here. And format them to have align them to the left, so they be on the same. Okay. And next thing here, I can rename this. I want to rename this So they will rename this to, I think I have the response analysis somewhere here. Okay, this is it. Sorry, excuse me. Okay. Okay, so Control V. All right. So response analysis. So let's see how it fits in. Let's see how it fits in. Okay, so we will take it in to fit it in properly. Yeah. Okay, this is cool. Okay. Okay, so I have to save Control S. All right, good. Take it down. Yeah, we're good to go. Good to go. So I can delete this. Good. So we're done with the demographic data. Okay, I think this guy is closed, but I know it's gone. Yeah, demographic data. Okay, so the next one is the response analysis. Can come down to this. We did this. You know, we did the other stuff for them, but due to that error that happened, I think it couldn't back it up. So we can actually start that again. So let me just copy this. Sorry for taking you guys back. Copy, paste this here. So we want to get because in the role of women, right? Now it's for the importance, right? So for the importance, this is it. Your opinion, this is the question for the importance. So your importance now, you can come here. I'm going to analyze show value tables. Good. So we take these out. We take these out and bring in your opinion. What's the importance here? So we have this here, and we can sort them from the largest to smallest. Good. So we can actually still copy this to come here, paste it to the next question was what do you think is the greatest challenges, right? So come here, take this out. What do you think is the challenges? So bring it down here. Good. So we've gotten this. We can sort this from largest to smallest. You know why I'm still keeping this count of local government, because basically it's the same number of counts all through 400 responses, 400 distinct responses. So okay, 400 responses, sorry. Then so I'm just keeping it as counts local government because it's still the same thing. So this will still give us the same figure. So we do this here. And the next one is to, I can just copy this. Just copy this one. And paste it here. The next one should be strategies. This is the question, what strategies could be used? So I'll come here, take this out, and what strategies could be used to bring it in. Bring it. Okay. So this is it. So can you guys hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we sort this to from the largest to smallest. All right. Okay. Sort this one to from largest to smallest. All right. So go with our charts now. So our charts now, we start with this and insert. I'm just going through the whole process bit by bit. Bar charts, okay. So we'll just work with bar chart basically, and this I don't want this hide all. Total, ethically total. I don't want that title. This, I don't want this. The grid lines, I don't want the grid lines. This axis, I don't want to delete. I come here, format axis. No, okay, categorize in reverse order. It's still highlighted. Come here, no outline. This is it. I still come here still. I still come here. Come to my font. Since I want consistency, I'm using 10 for my axis, 10, and sorry, my font color dark green. Okay, so this is it. Then you know, I had 3 bars to somewhere here. I just 3 bars here. So I'll still pick the format of it. So I used 140% here. So let me format this with that so it can give me something consistent. So I will come here. Since I click on the bars, it's come here. Oh, right, it's 140%. 140. Okay, it's 140. Now I can still format, click on the bars to fill with this. There's a list color. Then I want to make this pop out as the biggest. So this is good. Next thing is to take out the fill color. Come here, fill, no fill, outline, no outline. Next thing, insert my data labels. Click here, data labels. I want them inside. And I see that everything I'm doing is just for consistency. Keep your font consistent, keep your data label consistent, your coloring consistent, your formatting consistent. Everything should be consistent. Okay, so this is here, and I can bring this down here. So okay, I can just bring it here. So these two, I'll make it and format it onto fonts. I need it to be 10 and just 10, then okay. Then for this one in particular, I just want it to be white. So come here, click on this, and make it white. Okay, now our chart is a bit nice and well formatted just where we want it. You can copy it, come to this, and then I can paste. Okay, so let's close this. Now we're trying to put, we have, like you can see this, we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we just only have 1, 2 containers here. When these 2 containers, I'm trying to put two charts in each of them. So we just try and format our charts to actually get into this, format every chart to get into this too. I didn't want to make it the same pattern of 1, 2, 3, 4 above, 1, 2, 3, 4 containers below. So just give it that different feel. So you can actually include 2 charts in the container. Okay, so just now I can pick this now. I'll try and see if I can format it properly. Just pick this and pick it up a bit. Okay, so let's format this now. Okay, this can go in. Let's try and to break it down, pick it up. You know, we use our space, the charts can still go in. We're using just this white box. So don't mind this outline showing here. Even if the outline is on or even exceeding the whole container, just make sure your chart is inside and well aligned in the container, because that's your main focus, not this outline here. So I want my chart to, okay, you see where the North Shore is? It's almost at the edge of the white container there. So just let it be that way. Then maybe increase it a little bit. And this is okay. I guess this should be okay. Yeah, this is okay. This is okay. Okay, this is okay. Then for consistency too, I'll click on this. Then I'll click on this too. So I'll format it left aligned. So all of them will be on the same side there. So this is it. This is it. Nice. So I can change anything I'm writing here now. So what I'm writing here is where did I keep it? I kept this one here. So this is Involvement and Peacebuilding. Okay. Okay, yeah, so this is it. So I can take this out. Say human place single row. Okay, respondent. Okay. So I can copy this, come here and paste it here. Control A, Control V.
Your screen again is blank.
You saw
I
what?
don't think it's okay.
Can you hear me?
I can't see your
You can't see my
only
screen?
say man or use or something.
Okay. What about now?
I can see your screen. I can see your screen. I think Sadiq might be a network.
So like, who else cannot see my screen, please?
We can see your screen. You could continue. So you can just exit the call and come back in so that we don't slow everybody down. Because time is fast spent already. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Okay. So I have this. I can increase this so to show that. Then okay. So so these are heading, role in peace building. Then I want this to be the body of it. Small one. So until this way. Okay, this way. Then home. I think this should be, is it 11 or 12? Is it? Let me see. Let me refer back to this. Let's see. What font is this? Font size 11. Okay, 11.
There you go. Right?
Yeah. Well,
Since your network be fuck up.
it's all good one. So we come here. I want to make it 11. 11.
Second round. Oh.
All right, 11.
Oh. What's going to get?
So this, let's see, this was 14.
Chop in.
This is thing. I think it should be 14. Okay.
It's yours. Not so you want to make money. You don't be sleep. You don't be sleep.
This is 14, yeah. All right. Okay, we're good to go. Then I can bring this charts a bit down. Bring this charts a bit down. It's too close. So I'll bring this down. So that's okay this way. So all right. So this is okay this way. Then the next one I'm looking for this, so I can delete this. This control, insert, bar charts. Okay, so same thing. Hide off your labels. This, take this out, this out, this out, this out. Format like this. Categorize this. So I'm just going through everything really fast. And font, come to font, make it 10. This, make it dark, okay. And this, we come here to take outline, no outline. So our bars, here we use 40, let's try 45. I think 45. 5 is okay. 5 is okay. Let's see 50. Okay, we really want it to be it's 90, and it's too small. I want it to be 70. Okay, let's try 70. 70 is okay. Okay, 70, then we just come to fill, make it this color, and this, change it to fill, like as colors, and okay, it's data labels. We need it outside, inside, and still, and data labels. I'll make it come to font 10. Okay, come here, make this white. Yeah, still the same white. And okay, this one now, I can make this one dark. Make it dark. You can make it dark. Let's see. Okay. 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 So I can make it dark. So come here. Fill, no fill, outline, no outline. Okay, so we copy this and take it out. Copy. And come here, we're pasting this here. So let's see how we pick this here. Okay, this way. Okay, close. Then bring it down. You want it to be comments. Okay, here. Then okay, so I can bring this in. Bring this somewhere in here. Okay, good. So this is in here. Okay, I didn't take out the outline. I didn't take out the outline here. So outline, no outline. So cool. This is okay. Then I can duplicate this. And duplicate this. And take it out. Okay. Okay, this marks align top, let's see. Good. So done the same. So, okay. So next thing is to get this formatted. So I think I have it here. I think I have it here. Importance of this. Okay, so this is okay. So copy that. A maybe. So importance of women involvement, right? So this is going to be the one that will be reduced and changed. So home, this will be 11. The color should be this gray. Yeah, I think I can do that here for this. So this should be this color. Okay, I think I did. Great. Good. So this is it. And next one, we decided to chat here. Next one is to get, I can delete this. Next one is to get this. Next one is this. So actually looking out for the challenges faced, right? So challenges faced. So I'll come here. Insert. No, insert. I'm sorry. Once we come to charts, bar charts, come okay. This hide off you. This okay. Delete the things I don't want. Don't want this. I don't want this. So I can come here, click on it. Fill, no fill. Outline, no outline. Then I'll click on this. I don't want that line to be there. No outline. No outline. Good. Then I can still format this. Format axis. Come down here, categorize reverse order. Still come here, still font. I come here, pen. Come here, make it dark. Make it dark. Okay, good. Then come here to my data labels inside. And can you guys hear me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, we can hear you. Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. All right, inside end. Good. So I want to ask, do you have any question from or any challenge from what we've been doing so far?
At the moment, I don't think we have much questions. So we'd like to just wrap up so that people can watch afterwards. I think I'll make the recording available.
Okay.
Maybe when they do have questions, they could ask it in the community group.
Okay, no problem. All right. So
Thank
from
you.
here we come to fill. I will take the same color, then make this one dark, just the same thing we've been doing all through. Fonts, I will make this for the data level fonts, make it 10. Okay, then the color for this, I'll make it white. Make it white. All right. Then the bars. I used about 70 for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be 70. Okay, so I can actually make this ones to about 70. Let's see how it goes. How 70 looks great. 70 looks great. So I'll just pick this, control copy, and come here, insert. Okay, I cannot end. I didn't copy it properly. Okay, this is. Let's copy this way then. All right. So pick this here. Okay, so I think I will have to pick this way. See if it can come in properly. It's okay. Let's move this. Okay. So I want it to be high. I like to maintain this whole stuff of this, so I can come here, duplicate this, take it out, bring it in here this way. I think I will make this fill, no fill, an outline, no outline. All right, so let me delete this. Let me delete this. Okay, that's gone. Okay, so this our chart, I can bring it down. Our chart now, I can get it down here. So I said, don't be scared even if it goes beyond the whole chart. Good. And this still align this to be bottom. Okay, this align bottom. Good. So everything will be the same. Then at least I will just compare this to my face. So I think I have it somewhere here too. I have it somewhere here. So this distribute challenges from my face. So copy this. Okay, copy, come here, paste it here. Good. To changes on my face, so I can make this other one still as my body as the little notes here. Then convert it home, make it 11, and the color should be this dark ash, this ash here. Good. So good. And I think I'll delete this. I'll have to delete this. So done this, we're done for this for the rest. So come here, I can delete this. Then the last one should be this. So I'll come here and insert power charts, come here, okay. Do the same thing, hide all, total, delete this, delete this, delete, delete, come here, delete this, I come here to outline, no outline, and click on it on the fonts, click on fonts, 10, color, dark color is okay. Then I will come here to again format axis and categorize this. Good. So this from top to bottom. And next thing now is to format my bars. And come here, fill, since all of them are make them same color, then select the one that I want to indicate different. Select it, go. Then come here, fill, no fill for the background, outline, no outline for my chart. And data labels, I come here, data labels, the same thing inside and consistency. Click on data labels, come here, and font, make it 10. Okay. Right. And this is it. Okay. Boom. I think okay. This is the color, second, third color, right? Third. Okay. So these I'll come here and make it white. Let's go green. Good. This is it. I can copy. Okay. Then my bars, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I have 4 bars to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I used 70 for this. So I'll use 70 for this too, so to make it consistent. So see, 70. So 70 is cool. 70 is cool. So I'll just copy my whole charts. Come here. And Ctrl V. Okay, so this is my charts here. Good. So now I'll format it so it will be in that white container. Okay, so no, actually this one, actually this. Okay. Okay, so let's reduce this, increase this. Okay, so I can make this way. Yeah, yes, it's all good. It's this, so charts can come together, almost align with that. Nice. Increase this to a little bit. No, okay, too much. All right, consistent. Okay, so this is it. Then I can hit this. Hit this. Bring this to this direction. So just make sure everything here is the same height and all. So let me reduce size, format, align bottom. So everything there is about the same height and all. So I like to see my stuff be. So next. So there's the strategies, right? So I have it somewhere. So I have it here. So I'll just copy it. Strategies. The roles. Then copy it. Come here. V. So involvement. So this should be. I think this should be from here. I want this to be the then this will be 11. 11. Okay, let me see. It's not complete. Okay, I just want to make everything okay. This okay. This is okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Increase this down a bit. All right. So if this is coming this way, a bit down. So this chart will be going a bit down. So a little down. edit to, I think it's too far.
Okay. And they held a convention in December, the government of the Netherlands. And I think it should go.
Okay, should I just make this a bit longer? Let's do this again. Okay, let's make it a bit longer. Okay. So this will be okay. This will be okay. Yeah. So we are good to go, and we're done with the whole entire dashboard process. Now it's just for us to get our header and summary. So on this down, we can see that we are almost done with the whole dashboard process and all. So this is our dashboard done, and now we just have to insert our title, our chart title, and little description. So this space is for the chart title and description for our audience, our stakeholders to actually know, okay, this is the title, and this is what's the little summary about everything. Then they have to read and get it done. Okay, so I'll still use this. I'll use this guy. So duplicate it. And just use this. Just use this and duplicate it. So take it up. All right. So I think I have the title also here. So I think this is the title. So copy. So I'll just come here and paste it here. Control V. So we try our best to format it properly. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. I think it's okay. But we'll have to increase the size, font size. Let me see if I can make it. Make it 40, 48, 42. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is okay. Then next thing we have to just do is to insert our image of the state. So insert picture from the device. Okay, I guess it should be somewhere here. Is it here? Is it pictures? Okay, yeah, it's right. Plateau State. So insert this. So this is our PNG image for it. So we can insert this here. Yeah, you can insert this here. So we can increase the size. Okay. Yeah, and the image of our states, Plateau State, and next thing we do is to insert our body of summary here. Yes, here should be for the summary. So we can just copy this text box, I guess, from and increase this and see what I've done. Okay. So Let me copy this text box here. Duplicate. I think I need you here. So you want it without an outline. Outline. No outline. Fill.
Hello, Oriz. Are you there? I think your screen is hanging. Oh, I think Oriz has an internet issue. I think he's already done. Let me ask him if he has anything else to say so that we could call it a night because our time was fast spent. The session was scheduled for 2 hours and we're already like 3 hours in. So I want to thank you guys so much for staying up to this point. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you, Ijoma. Thank you,
Okay.
Lukman. Okay, I was about to reach out to you. What's up?
Okay.
So I think you're
Yeah,
already wrapping up already.
yeah,
So
I'm wrapping up.
just like in 5 minutes, you can wrap up so we
Yeah.
can call it a day.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you.
All right. Okay. So I was here on how we insert our summary. So this is our summary. Okay. So I want to format the whole stuff. I don't want this font, so I use the same fonts with the header. So this header. And I think I have to increase the size. So let's say 16, 18. It's okay, 20, 20, 20 too big. That's 18. Let's see, 18. And you come over here. Okay, so we can still increase the size to so this is a home. Okay, and this way that's a 20. Four. 24, is it too big? 24 too big. Let's see, 24. Yeah, 24 is quite big. Okay, 24 is quite big. So let's take it down to 20. I think 20 is okay. 20 will be okay.
Oriz, are you there? Hello, Oriz. Okay, okay, guys. I think we have to wrap up from this point. Let me share my screen to the Excel, the dashboard, the final look, and probably maybe if he comes in, we could talk about that as well. So this is what the final look is supposed to look like for the dashboard. So if you ever want to recreate this, you can always tag our X channel. We are now on X now. So women involvement and peace building in Plateau State, Nigeria. So this is the final look of the dashboard, and this is what the process he has been taking us through. And I want to thank you guys for staying up to this point. You all are the real MVP. You made it possible, and I believe we're going to do a lot more other things.
My network is crazy. My network is
Yeah.
crazy. What's happening?
Yeah.
Man.
Do you want to give us like a final remark? Because I just shared the final look of the dashboard. So anybody that wants to like recreate it can have an idea what they're building.
Okay. All right. So, okay. So let me just share the screen very fast and we're done. I'm already done with it. So it's just to get it done completely.
All right.
Okay. So, all right. So we're here. So we can just make it 19. Let's see 19. 19. Okay. 19 is okay. So we can just take it up a bit. Take it up a bit. And okay. Then for this, I think we have to just reduce the size for this to like 40. Let's see, 44. Okay, 44. 44 is fine. And this, I'll just take it here. I just want to wrap everything up very fast. Yeah. All right. So this is it. So we can just have it this way. Okay, I think so we have our demographic data, respondents about local government. Okay. 200 out of 400%. Oh, it doesn't sound cool. Let me just take this off. All right, this is off. Okay. And this is our dashboard, and we're done. So basically, this is how we got our dashboard done and set. Here we go. Okay, on that way. Yeah. So this is the static visualization for the women involvement in peace building in Plateau State, Nigeria. So this, you can actually show your stakeholders and everyone. Okay, this is what we got from the survey. You know that from our demographic data, we saw that Basa, most of the respondents are from Basa local government. So if we're challenging any of our incentives or our solutions to these people, we know that yes, we're actually going out to meet guys at Basa, our key important areas. Then we know that 282 females participated in the survey, and most 208 persons are not involved in political activities. And we see that most of the respondents are women leaders in various communities. And the response analysis shows that women believe that most people believe that women play a significant role in peace building, having 184 responses. And the importance of women involvement, we saw that women involvement is very important. And challenges women face, we saw that lack of resources and funding is one of the major challenges. So if you can make that available, this will actually make women to participate more in peace building. And we also found that strategies to encourage women, we can actually build up good legal reforms to protect their interests. a public project with many politics and peace building roles. So with this now, you can actually make out insightful decisions. Okay, this is what we're going to do. This is the key strategies to make women participate more. This is the major challenge you face. And people see that women involvement is actually vital. And with this, your organization can actually carry out its program efficiently and see that all objectives are being achieved. So thank you so much. And this is a wrap for the Women Involvement and Peace Building in Plateau State, Nigeria dashboard. Thank you so much, Mr. Freedom.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Really appreciate.
Okay, I think Lukman wants to say something.
Yeah,
Okay.
Quick one. Boy, please, this is for Plateau State. Is there a way we can also get the data for other states in case someone want to do the analysis, but we don't want to split to say maybe we want to do other states, maybe our own state to know.
Okay.
I want to say peacekeeping of the some.
Okay, for other states now, I think where you only have to, I don't have data set for other states, but for this, right, you can actually, I can give you, okay, you actually use the location, that is the local government. Maybe you have to get the local government of your own area and see if you can just replace them here with this local government. I don't know if that will help. So you can actually tailor it down to your own state.
All right.
Yeah.
That means we go to the Plateau State. I think there is data set for each state wherever data is stored.
Okay, no, this data is not actually a random data that you can get on the internet. That is just it. It's actually more like a survey. So if you actually want to get your own data for your own particular state, you can actually carry out a survey. Yeah.
Okay. Go with the Plateau State where I'm doing.
But the fastest way to do it is just for you to just go down to the local government and change the local government to tailor it towards your own state and see what you can make out of it.
That's another work entirely. So I'll go with the Plateau State to do the analysis when I want to. Thank you. Sorry for your time.
I didn't get. Can you come again? Okay, thank you. I am sincerely sorry for the network issues and all and delay.
No,
but
you're in Nigeria.
I really appreciate it. All right, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Freedom.
Thank you so much. Thank you for keeping me up to this time. I appreciate you.
Apologies.
Yeah, no problem. I'm glad we were able to wrap up to this point. Thank you, Joma, for staying to this time. Thank you so much, Sadiq. And I think that will bring us to the end of this session. I think every other thing will be passed along in the community group. So once the video recordings are available, I'll make sure I post them on my YouTube and also share to the community. So that should be available before the end of tomorrow. So thank you all for tuning in. Yeah, really
sorry,
Mr.
Freedom. Hello, sorry.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay. You guys were talking about how to document, right? So
yeah, someone was asking about that.
Okay.
I think the person is not offline.
Okay. So basically for me, I tend to use PowerPoint or Canva, right? But I'm more proficient at Canva. So I use Canva a lot for documentation. So that can be a class for another day because there's no time. But if you can actually go towards Canva and search for presentation templates on Canva, you see different slides templates for your presentations, and you can actually just edit and modify them to suit what you are actually wanting to present and all. But that will be another topic for another day. I'll just give you guys
I think we can make out time properly for documentation, like conversations like that. So
thank you so much. Thank you all.
All right, no problem. So good night, everybody.
All right.
And have a great night. Good night.
Okay.
Bye,
Good
guys.
night. Bye.